In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to roll your forefoot. So this is a fantastic exercise for runners, walkers, anyone that's on their feet for long periods, especially those that want to release directly through the forefoot and want to know how to do so. So I've got here a massage ball. You don't have to use one of these. You can use anything of a similar size and shape. And what we're going to be targeting is that location underneath the toes on the balls of the front of the foot. So I'm going to bring the ball in contact with the balls of my foot on the forefoot. I'm going to roll the ball from side to side. We've got a couple of different options of how to do this. So I'm going to show you how to do the most basic option first, which is I'm going to bring my forefoot in contact with the ball, and I'm just going to roll it from side to side. Now, if you don't feel anything, what you'll need to do is you'll need to push down with your foot on the ball and then roll from side to side. If that's still not abrasive enough for you, come into a kneeling position. Really apply a lot of pressure here through the forefoot and onto the foot, and then roll side to side. And if that's not enough, then come up into a full standing position. You're going to want to roll the foot for your desired amount of seconds and sets, and that is how to roll the forefoot